Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to connect WhatsApp to Meta Business Suite. Firstly, go to Meta Business Suite and log into your account. From the sidebar, click Inbox. Select WhatsApp tab, then click Get Started. Follow the prompts to enter and verify your new WhatsApp business number. Complete your business profile setup by suggesting your name, category, and logo. You can now send messages by entering the recipient's WhatsApp number directly into the inbox. You can add WhatsApp chat widget to your website using Meta's chat plugin to embed WhatsApp chat to your site. Visitors can message your business instantly and collect WhatsApp contacts for retargeting ads later. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.